Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we have a super exciting topic for you. We will be looking at some of the most famous and useful apps in Canva that you need to know about. So let's get started. First up, let's talk about the Canva app itself. Canva is available on both desktop and mobile, which means you can design on the go. Whether you are using a computer, tablet or smartphone, Canva's app is user-friendly and has all the features you need to create stunning designs. But Canva is more than just a standalone app. It has integrated with several other famous and useful apps to make your design process even smoother. Let's check out some of these integrations. Number 1 on our list is Google Drive. If you are like me and use Google Drive to store all your files, you will love this integration. You can easily access your Google Drive files directly from Canva. This means you can import your images, logos and other assets straight into your Canva projects without any hassle. It's a real time saver. To use this feature, simply go to the apps and search for Google Drive and then sign into your Google account. From there, you can browse and add files directly into your design. Next up is Pixabay. Canva has a built-in integration with Pixabay, which is good for free stock photos, videos and illustrations. This is perfect when you need high quality images for your projects but don't want to spend a lot of time searching for them. To access Pixabay, go to search and select Pixabay. Now click on use in new design and select the size of your document. Then a new tab will open. From here you can search for Pixabay images. All the images will be from Pixabay website directly and it's all royalty free. Similar to Pixabay, Pexels is another fantastic source for free stock images and videos. Canva's integration with Pexels gives you access to thousands of high quality visuals that you can use to enhance your designs. Now let's talk about YouTube integration. If you create content for YouTube, this is very useful for you. You can easily embed YouTube videos into your Canva designs. This is especially useful for creating engaging presentations or educational content. To add a YouTube video, search for YouTube and click on use a new design, and there you can see all the YouTube videos are showing here in this tab and you can use anyone from them you like. Another fun app is Bitmoji. If you love using emojis in your messages or text, you will be thrilled to know that you can add them to your Canva designs as well. This is perfect for adding a personal touch to your projects. To use Bitmoji, repeat these steps as we have done before and you can add emojis easily into your design or text, whatever you want. And finally, let's talk about QR code generator. This is incredibly useful if you are creating marketing materials or invitations. You can generate a QR code that links to any URL and add it directly to your design. So these are some of the most famous and useful apps integrated with Canva that can take your designs to next level. You can search more and find some more useful apps. Whether you are working on a school project, a business presentation or social media graphics, these tools will help you create amazing content quickly and easily. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more great content, and let us know in the comment which Canva integration is your favorite. See you next time.